Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to change your gender on Bigo Live. As you can see right now, I'm on my Bigo Live's profile, and you can get here by clicking on the bottom right corner me icon, and that's how you will get here. Now, all you have to do is click on your profile where your profile picture is at. Mine is at the very top of the screen. As you can see, it says How to Library and the profile picture. So I'm gonna click it, and then this is your profile. And on the top right corner, there are two icons. We're gonna click the icon on the right, and that will take us here. So as you can see, my gender is set to female. If you can't find the gender, you have this about me, and then you have name and then gender. So we're going to click on the gender, and you have a few options. You have male, female, non-binary, and prefer not to say. Mine is set to female, so we're going to keep it like that. And on the top right corner, you have the save option, and all you have to do is click it, and this will save any changes. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys!